All right, we're going to find the limit as x approaches 7 of this nice function. And I think this is going to be a fairly easy one. As I look ahead, the first thing we always do when we do limits is we always replace each one of our x's with whatever value we're about to be approaching. In this case, we're going to be approaching 7. So each one of these x's is initially going to be replaced with 7. And it's especially this x in the denominator that I notice. If I put a 7 in there, 7 plus 7, we're not going to get 0 in our denominator. All right, so let's go ahead and go through the process. That 7 in the denominator gets replaced with a 7. Sorry, the x gets replaced with a 7. But in our numerator, we're also going to replace each one of these x's with 7. So 7 squared plus 9 times 7 plus 14. Now, why I say it's going to be a fairly easy problem is looking at that denominator, you're noticing we get a 14 and not a 0, which means we're going to get some number coming out here for a solution. Let's simplify the numerator. We have 7 squared will make 49, plus 9 times 7, 63, plus 14. As we combine those constants up in our numerator, we're going to end up with, I think, 49 plus 63 plus 14 works out to be 126. And from there, that can be reduced a little bit further. 126 divided by 14 works out to be 9. All right, because we didn't get 0 over 0 or some number divided by 0, we just got to a number. That's the limit. And we're done. All right, so I know kind of a short video, but always remember, this happens quite a bit of the time. You want to first evaluate by replacing each one of your variables with whatever number that variable is approaching. Good luck as you're working on limits.